Hi there, today we're going to show you how to make out of an easy chair a chair to relax in the garden or in a porch. Just for information, this easy chair isn't any special easy chair, it isn't made from any designer, it's also made just out of beech wood. To start, we're going to cut off the legs here and here, and then we're going to replace the strapping. Now we need 4 squares of wood that looks like this. These are 2.5 centimetres and 6 by 6 centimetres. They're to go here, so that then the chain that will go here goes past the armrest and doesn't rub. Going to sand this piece of wood all the way around, drill a hole, an 8mm hole in the middle of it. We're then going to put some oil on it so that they look nice and very similar colour to the chair. And once we've done that, they're going on here. Will be drilled through and then will be attached with this type of hook. To actually hang up the easy chair, we need a system with chains. To do this, we need this piece of wood. This is 80 centimetres by 4.5 centimetres by 3 centimetres and has to have 2 holes in the end, 3 centimetres in, and we're using a 20mm Forstner bit because our chain is 20mm wide. If your chain's wider, you need bigger holes, or if the chain's smaller, and this will actually hang up here in the air. We're now going to hang the chair. I've got here two sets of chains. They're 2 meters long. Here a set of chains that's 1.50 meters long, and I've got some carabiner or snap links that we need to hang it up. But everything you need for this project is down in the description. We're going to start with using this piece of wood and the 1.50 meters and a few carabiner to make the hanging system that's up in the air. Here's the easy chair now hung up. All we've got to do is add the upholstery, which I've already made in advance. The company Sailrite, a YouTube company, shows you how to make them, so I'll link that below. And there we go. There's one chair to sit in and relax when you've got your summer holidays. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in a couple of weeks' time.